going to be showing you how to build Doctor Ratio in Honkai Star Rail. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So Dr. Veritas Ratio, who is Dr. Ratio, is a single target DPS whose damage mostly comes from his follow-up attacks, which hit after enemies are hit or debuffed. So to maximize his damage, you want to boost crit rate, crit damage, and follow-up damage and pair him with characters that apply debuffs. So the best light counts for him is Signature, Baptism of Pure Thought, which is a 5-star light cone. Its main effect is to increase crit damage, and its bonus is more crit damage per debuff on enemy. If you don't have that, then you can use Cruising in the Stellar Sea, which is also a 5-star. Or you can go for Sleep Like the Dead, which is 4-star. As for the best relic sets for him, you can use the Ash Blazing Grand Duke. It has huge synergy with his follow-up attacks and increases follow-up damage and stacks attack when follow-ups hit. If you don't have that, then you can go for Pioneer Diver of Dead Waters. So he's pretty flexible, so you have a lot of options here. So the main stats that you need to focus on is crit damage and his speed and his imaginary damage percentage and attack percentage. You need to use his talent first, and then skill and ultimate, and then normal attack at last. So there you go, that's how you build Dr. Ratio in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.